Good morning, children. Today we are going to study Maths, ICSE Mathematics 1, Chapter 3, Subtraction up to 9. Okay, page 41, take out. Learning outcomes. Okay, students will be able to learn to subtract a one-digit number from another one-digit number. The subtraction of one-digit numbers on a number line. To subtract 0 or the same number from a given number. Okay. The subtract one-digit numbers vertically. Okay. And to solve word problems or on subtraction. So see the picture here, two pictures here, 4 frogs. See the picture, 4 frogs. See Tia. See Tia. How these 4 frogs are jumping and playing around. See 4 frogs jumping and playing around. Yes, maybe they are friends, just like us. Okay, so her friends say maybe they are friends just like us. Okay, oh, 2 out of 4 frogs. Okay, see 2 out of 4 frogs jump into the pond. Can you tell me how many are left? 2 frogs are left. 4 frogs. So 2 frogs jump into the pond. So question is, can you tell me how many are left? So 2 frogs are left. Okay. Children, always remember left means subtraction. Okay. Yes, you were right. We took away 2 from 4 and the left with 2. This is called subtraction. Next page, page 42. In subtraction, we take away things from a group and count how much is left. The symbol for subtraction is, see, subtraction sign, symbol, subtraction symbol, subtraction symbol. Okay. Minus sign. Okay. So 4 minus 2. Minus 2, answer 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2, answer 1. The answer we get after we subtract is called difference. Look at some more examples. 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2. See here. Apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 apples is here. So 6 minus 2. Or write 6 symbol. Okay. Minus 2. So 1, 2. So count 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is left. Now 5 minus 4. So 5 mangoes is here. So 4 is minus. 1, 2, 3, 4. So left 1. Okay. It's very easy. Just example right here. Next one, count, color and write the answer. See, the see here cats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cats. Okay. So children, everyone take out your homework copy, school homework copy, school copy. Okay. First question 1. See question A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cats. Okay. So I write here 5 minus question is 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 2 minus. So 1, 2, 3. 3 left. So answer is 3. So same here. 2 is minus 2 cats. So left 1, 2, 3. 3 left. Okay. Answer 3. Question B. See bunnies, rabbits, bunnies. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bunnies is here. Okay. So minus 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is out. So 1, 2. Answer is 2. So you color, yellow color you put 2. Okay. You write, you colored it 2 colors. Okay. Answer is 2. So you put the color 2 bunnies. Okay. Next, see balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 balls is here. And question is minus 1. Okay. So 1 you cross. So left 1, 2, 3, 4. It's very easy. So easy. Children, you color 4 balls. Answer is 4. So you color 4 balls. Okay. Next, D. See toy here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. D. 4 minus 2. Any problem? So you draw the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 minus. Okay. Minus means 2 toys cross. Minus. So left 1, 2. So answer is 2. So you color, put the color 2 colors. Okay, 2 toy colors. Okay. So answer 2. Next E, tomatoes. Okay. 6 minus 3. So question 3. So you cross 1, 2, 3. 3 tomatoes cross. So answer. So left 1, 2, 3. 3 tomatoes is left. So you put the color red color. 3 tomatoes. Any problem? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So answer 3. Next 2. Cross the pictures to find the difference. See elephant. Okay. Picture. First A picture. Question is 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. 1, 2, 3. 3 minus 5 elephant is here. 3 minus, so count 1, 2. 2 is answer. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 minus 2. So you cross minus 2. 7 2 B. 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 is equal to, or 7 minus 2 is equal to, is same number, same math. Okay, same subtraction. So 7. Any problem? Draw the lines here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So minus 2. So minus 2 means 1, 2 lines. So answer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7 minus 2, answer, subtract answer 5. So write here 5. Left 2 minus, so left 5. Okay. Next, see here, animals, dog is here. 1, 2, question is 8 dogs minus 5 or 8 minus 5. It's same question. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. I draw the lines. You cut here dogs. Okay. 5 dogs you cut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So left 1, 2, 3. Okay. I also cut 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So left 1, 2, 3. So answer is 3. It's very easy. I hope everyone understood. Next, D. See D. D question number 2D. 4 minus 3 is equal to, okay, or 4 minus 3 is equal to, see here, scooter 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 minus, I draw line here, 3 minus, so left 1. So 3 minus, okay, 3 minus, so left 1. So answer is 1. See here, same answer. Okay. Next, E. I hope everyone understood. Okay. Question E. 9 minus 4 or 9 minus 4 is equal to, question is same, 9 minus 4 is same, 9 symbol means minus 4. Okay, is equal to, so 9, you count here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 minus, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now you count children, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 answer. Now I draw here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so 4 minus 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you count 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same answer is same. So write here answer. Okay. F. Fish. 3 minus 1 is equal to, or 3 minus 1 is equal to 1. Yes. Now you count children. 3 fishes is here. 1 left. So 1 minus. So left 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. So 1 minus. So left 1. So answer is okay. Okay. Now children, question A. Now I write here question 3 minus 1. Same question. Okay. So 3 minus 1. Subtract 1, 2, 3. So 1 take away. Minus 1. So answer one take away. So answer 1, 2. So answer is 2. Okay. Next. Starts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 stars. Okay. So your question is 7 minus 5. Okay. So first one minus 7 minus 5. So 5 take away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2. 2 stars left. So answer is 2. Okay. Next, ball. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 balls is here. Now, my question is 6 minus 3. Okay. Do it on your own. Practice. Okay. So 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 take away. So 1, 2, 3. So left. How many balls are left? So 1, 2, 3. So answer is 3. Next. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 5 minus 2 is equal to. So 5 minus 2, 2 take away. So 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. left 3. Any problem, you draw the lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 take away. So left 1, 2, 3. Answer is same. Okay. So children, take out your diary. Your homework, page chapter 3, page 42 or 40 and 43. 42 and 43. I hope everyone understood. So practice.